Welcome back to the Sound Report. I'm Tim Matthews, and we're going to be talking about everything that's going on with the real estate market in the Grey Bruce, Owen Sound region, prices, days on market, what are buyers doing, talking about it all and how it affects you as a consumer. Normally I have Mark with me, but he couldn't make it out today. I think he got snowed in or something. So you're gonna have to stick with me as I do this video today. After a quick rebound in September, the Owen Sound and Grey Bruce market was back down in October with the amount of sales down 45% from this time last year. And if you look directly at the stats for price points and compare it with early 2022, things are down quite a bit compared with that early 2022. So we're gonna get right into that. Before we do, if you could do me a huge favor, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That will help YouTube show this video to more people like you and help us get the message out about what's going on in the market. So I want to start off with prices, and like I said, if you compare with early 2022, it's going to paint a picture that's not great for prices. So if you look at the median sale price for October in Grey Bruce, it was $560,000. This is down 10% from last year and down from $605,000 1 month ago. Today it was around $700,000 back in early 2022. Owen Sound has been struggling to hold its value. The median sale price for a single family home in October was $400,000. This is down about 14% from this time last year and down from $603,000 1 month ago and about 25 to 30% from the peak in early 2022. In terms of new listings and active listings, that has largely been flat. We saw a huge surge in the summer months that has stabilized since then, and this has slowed, I think, how fast the prices have fallen, as there's still not really enough options to force prices down much more. There's just not enough of a surge of listings coming on the market. Finally, only 42% of listings that come to the market are actually selling, and it's taking about 40 days to get that sale. One interesting stat for the Owen Sound area is that since July, there's been 96 firm and pending sales. 76 of those sales have been under the $600,000 price point. So not a lot in Owen Sound is sold over $6. This has obviously put some downward pressure on those average and median price points. Average and median prices are quite volatile, and if we take a look at the benchmark price, which is a more accurate tracking method used by the Canadian Real Estate Association, it shows about a 15% drop from the peak until now, as opposed to that 25% drop that the median and average prices are telling, with the benchmark prices being $473,000 in Owen Sound and $579,000 in Grey Bruce respectively. So not as volatile of a swing using that data tracking method. So what does this mean? Well, interest rates have really flattened out the market. If you are out there and you're concerned about the market, I want to tell you that there's still a lot of buyer demand out there. Prices have not fallen because we've seen a surge of listings hit the market because people can't afford them anymore. Prices have fallen because interest rates have flattened out the market, caused buyers to go to the sidelines because they can't afford the prices along with the interest rates, or they think things are going to get worse because there's a really negative consumer confidence out there right now. Combine this with sellers who are still thinking that their home is worth what it was in early 2022, or they're willing to wait until the market gets better. That has created a real stalemate, and it's just been hard to get things sold because you have sellers on one side, they think things are going to get better, or they're willing to wait. You have buyers on the other side thinking things are going to get worse, or they can't afford to enter the market right now. So that has caused there to only be 42% of new listings that hit the market to actually sell. It's been hard to make things sell and get things to move in this market. In terms of showings, what's going on the ground right now in the market, we're not seeing a lot of showings, and this is naturally going to happen around this time of year. But of course, with the interest rate hikes, it has pulled a lot of people off of the sidelines. Offers, a lot of conditional offers upon sale of the buyer's property. That's kind of the new norm right now. So if you're going to list your property, you can expect that there's a good chance that someone may offer on your property with a condition of them selling their own, which is totally fine. It's what is going on right now in the market. I do think there's some good opportunity out there right now, specifically for buyers who have an entry-level home and they're looking to move up to the next price point, because prices have fallen harder in those higher priced homes than they actually have in the entry-level homes. So you're actually gonna be able to save some money by selling your home and moving up to that next level home right now, more so than you would have back in early 2022. There's also more options on the market right now. Not a lot more, but there is more, and you'll be able to work through your conditions and probably negotiate a deal. So if you have to buy, it's not actually a terrible time to do so if the conditions are right for you. If you're thinking of selling, you just need to understand that it's going to take some time. And if your home isn't priced correctly and marketed correctly, you may not be in the 42% of listings that are actually selling on the market right now. Comment below with what you think about the market. I would love to hear what you think. Do you think things are getting worse? Do you think things are getting better? Are we at the bottom right now? I would love to hear what you think. Let me know below. And of course, if you have any questions, you'd like to chat about the market, you can find our contact info below. Send us a text, give us a call or an email, or head on over to our website, fill out the contact us form. We would love to chat with you about the market. If you're thinking of selling, buying, whatever it is, we're happy to talk. We're always here to help. I'm Tim Matthews with the Marketing Real Estate team from Century 21 in Studio Realty. Thanks for watching.